First at 5 this evening, the Williamson County community of Jarrell is once again picking up the pieces after a wicked storm last night.
For the third time in 7 months, a tornado hit the area. About 3 dozen homes and businesses are dealing with damage today. You can see what some of that damage looks like there.
KXAN's Mercedes Hernandez is joining us live from that community with more on what's happening there tonight. Mercedes.
Good evening, you guys. Now, it's no strange scene out here for a community used to such storms like this. Now, let's go ahead and take a look over here. Now, behind me, it looks like everything's picture perfect, but houses here have been affected. There's toppled over fences, large debris, and of course, over here, this roof is missing. Monday night, Jarrell neighbors heard the alarm and went to take shelter.
I heard that wind. I grabbed her and said, let's go, let's go to the room.
The wind was blowing. I could see stuff blowing around. I was just praying.
Tuesday meant cleaning up for many in town. Large debris like trampolines, tree trunks and fences left mangled in front yards.
That's what got me, not just the wind, but the eerie sound it made when it came through.
Our weather team detected winds over 100 miles an hour on radar. It takes winds that strong to cause this kind of roof damage. Winds also tipped over trucks on the highway. Williamson County Judge Bill Gravel took a tour of the damage from the sky. He says he could clearly see the tornado's path from above, a trail of torn up roofs. Homes and buildings may be damaged, but few injuries.
That's always an important priority, is to protect our life. And now today we're in the process of protecting property.
A sentiment echoed by neighbors.
The house could be gone, you know, the roof.
When they issued that warning, that tornado warning that I got, and then that's when I said all heck broke loose. I didn't have time even to go to my storm shelter. So, but thankful to be alive.
Now, that same team that went up in the air also did a ground assessment. Now, I'm hearing now that the rating for the strength of that tornado has been shared with us from the National Weather Service as an EF1. Now, Judge Gravel does ask that any folks who did sustain damage to their home or property in this storm is asked to report it to the Texas Department of Emergency Management. In Jarrell, I'm Mercedes Hernandez, KXAN News.
And all the best to the folks out there trying to pick up the pieces. Mercedes, thank you for that.